What is one piece of evidence that can make or break your case?
There's not specifically one piece of evidence, but evidence in general is very important to prove a case. The type of evidence that's needed depends on the type of case. But generally, in personal injury cases, you're going to need evidence of two different categories. First, you need evidence to prove liability, that the party you're suing is at fault, and you also need evidence of damages, that you were actually injured as a result of this accident. And each bit requires different evidence.
What are some examples?
To prove liability in, let's say, in a car accident, you want photos of the vehicle involved, the police report, the property damage estimates for the vehicle, witness statements. In terms of damages, you want things like the medical records, photos of the injuries, doctor's reports.
Have you ever had a case where evidence was lacking?
I've certainly had cases where evidence was lacking. That's when the lawyering comes in. You base a lot of your argument on circumstantial evidence that maybe you don't have the solid evidence there, but with circumstantial evidence, you're able to prove a point.
Would you say that there is one piece of evidence that is detrimental to winning a case?
That would again matter on the type of case we're talking about. Generally, the way it works in terms of proving damages and having evidence for it is the more bills that you incur as a result, the more your case is worth. If you have very limited medical bills and evidence of those medical bills, then your case is going to be worth a lot less.
What is one piece of advice you would give someone that was just in an accident?
With regard to evidence, I'd say you should collect it early, keep it safe, and give it to your lawyer so that he can use that evidence to help you win your case.